How to fix PhoneExperienceHost.exe error. Hello everybody, in order to do that you may follow up these simple steps. So you will be getting that error message like this on your screen if you're having that error. So you may just go ahead and open up your task manager in order to solve it. Once you open up your task manager, from the given options you need to go ahead and go to app history and look for the option called phone links. You may go to the startup and see if this option is disabled or not. If not, you can just go ahead and disable this phone link option from right here and do that. Apart from that, you may just go ahead and then go to your settings. After opening up your settings, go over to apps and head over to apps and feature. And from the apps, you may search for phone link. Otherwise, you can use the search at the top and type in phone link in the search bar. And after typing in phone link, you can just go ahead and uninstall the application from here or remove the app. You can just go ahead and do that. And after that is done, open up your Windows PowerShell. And under this Windows PowerShell, you can just go ahead and type in the prompt. You can go ahead and take a screenshot and copy and paste this prompt right here. Otherwise, I will just leave it at the description and you can just go ahead and copy and paste it. So just go ahead and paste it right here. After that is done, just hit enter and that's it. So these are the solutions you can follow up in order to do that. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.